TechInsomnia here on YouTube with another review. This is the iPhone 11 heavy duty, military grade, rugged, protective phone case from Encased. Check out this case. Wow. Right out of the packaging, solid. Like, wow. You can see this thing doesn't flex easy. This is definitely one of those cases that I could tell, maybe a little bit here, but for the most part, it's not gonna flex out off of the phone easily. And it just seems like the material that it's made with is quality. A nice amount of space there for a thicker charging port cable. Grooves for the speakers. I like this design here. It's almost like it's ingrained in the actual design of it, but it seemed like it would give you a little bit more grip. It's cut out for the camera. Looks like a very quality, and it's definitely a sturdy case. Got an iPhone 11 here. Let's see. Wow. Despite how hard it is to wow, it's on there. That is on there now. Incredible. And it just feels sturdy. Like very sturdy. I love the clearance here. The amount of space in between the ports and the speaker, and in between the actual bezel frame of the phone itself. A good amount of distance between the camera. I mean, and this would just be, you know, safer in a drop scenario. Got a good amount of clearance here, as you can see from where the screen would be, so that when you lay it down flat. And I mean, it's solid. This is a solid case. I give this one a 10 out of 10 just because of the overall design, the material, the build quality. I mean, look, like this is not, it just seems so, like look how hard it's almost hugging the phone in a way that it's not making it easy. Incredible. Great phone case. I give this one a 10 out of 10 just because of the overall design, the build quality, the materials they chose to use, protective features of this phone. I got this one off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below in the description so you guys could check it out. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech related, phone related, computer related review videos in the future. Hope you guys have a great night. Take care.